video you will see how to think about this Bento token, that everybody maybe get this token. Here those are watching this video, included me, I get this token, therefore I'm covering this video. So maybe you get Toby token because base chain, okay, base chain they collected airdrop address. Maybe you joined any base airdrop before, and Bento is collected those address, and they provide some Bento token to people because for marketing. Okay, every airdrop happened for their increasing. Now on give you money totally free, they have a purpose. Okay, so however, if you see their Twitter here, Bento is growing fast, they are doing trade. Okay, however, so coin market they are listed. If you noticed their coin market here, so Bento tokens are on global, and here they their coin market cap listed will be pop up. Alright, so here their price, you can see here their contract address on base chain, you can see here, and as well as where they are listed, everything you can see in one place. Click on this market option, and here they are listed on just decentralized finance. That is complicated thing, therefore they are not growing so much. Okay, majority people they don't understand decentralized finance. They know how to use Binance, Bybit, send money, receive money. So simple thing. So if you noticed here, they are not listed on exchange or any kind of exchange or Binance, Bybit like KuCoin. So they are just listed on decentralized finance, and that's it. So I'm waiting. If I noticed, if I showed you my portfolio in about how many Bento token I get in one wallet that you get. Okay, because they um, didn't do anything about airdrop. They just provide totally free like equal Rothschild dollar, okay, token to people, and that's it, like Toby. Okay, so if I click on here Bento, I get $1 Rothschild Bento token. So they are not listed like on any exchanger like Toby. Okay, maybe you get Toby because it's base chain, same chain, and they collected like same way address, and they distribution their token for doing marketing, and you get money. That is great because they don't take advantage of up to you. Okay, so however, what I'm make sense you here, I'm just make sense you here is Bento is not listed on any exchanger, so their price is $1. Maybe some days it price would be go like skyrocket, because they, if they use like it's listed on Binance, their price would be like, people can do trade on Binance, people can do whatever they want to do about Bento. So therefore I'm holding this token because $1 is nothing that can change your finance. So I'm holding this on, and as well as here is Toby I'm holding. That's so much Toby, I would say they provide. However, so I do airdrop every day, even create video about showing you how to join. So come into my YouTube channel here, and that's great. So here is I provide CBX airdrop, Chulu airdrop, every airdrop I showed you. Okay, so however, if just check out this video's comment box and come into my Telegram, and here you will get every post about every airdrop. So very simple, straightforward, you can do that. Come into my Telegram. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.